So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Gmail account. Now the reason we're going to be creating a Gmail account is because that's currently the only way that we can gain access into App Inventor 2. App Inventor 2 depends on having a Gmail account. So how exactly do we create this Gmail account? Well, we're going to go to our address bars and we're going to type in mail.google.com, and then we'll be presented with the page that looks just like this one. Now I'm going to do it one more time for you just so you can see that it does in fact do that. So I'm going to type in mail.google.com. Press enter and you'll notice it loads up the exact same page just as I promised. From there, I'm going to click on create an account and then I'm going to fill in all of my information. So I'm going to say, my name's John Doe. It isn't really, it's Thomas Brown, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to choose my username. And I'm just going to say, let's say John Doe. And notice it says that's already taken, right? Somebody already has that username, try another. And then it gives me some suggestions. I'm just going to go with the one they suggested, Doe4177. Then I'm going to type in my password. Notice on the left, it'll tell you if you're doing something wrong with that password. So right now I don't have enough characters. I'm going to make sure I match the one I just put in. And then I'm going to punch in my birthday. This is just a random one. I'm going to say that, I am a male. And then I'm not going to punch in my mobile number, or my email address, but you definitely should, because this is going to allow you to gain entrance back into your account just in case you lose your password. So definitely punch in an old email address or your mobile phone, so if you lose your password, Google can send the password via your phone number or your old email address. After that's all done, I'm going to go down to this little box here with the image, and I'm going to type in what I saw, or what I see, which is 408, and that just confirms to Google that I'm not a robot. So then I'm going to type in my location, or punch in my location. I am in fact from the United States. So I'm going to leave that, and then I'm going to type or punch in this I agree. From there, I'll click on next step. And if I did everything properly, I am presented with this welcome page. So it says, welcome, your new email address is doe4177@gmail.com. I'm going to go ahead and continue to my Gmail, just to confirm that everything's all set up properly. And you'll notice it does in fact load my Gmail. But I'm not going to stop there. I want to triple check that this is all set up for App Inventor. And the easiest way for us to double check or to triple check if that's correct for App Inventor is to actually just go to App Inventor. So you'll notice I just opened up a new tab, a new window. I'm going to expand that and I'm going to type in App Inventor 2. Go to that first link that pops up that you just typed in, right? So you typed in App Inventor 2. The first link in Google will be App Inventor 2's homepage. You'll notice it presents you with your login for your Gmail account. So mine's pre-filled in for me, the one I just made, that doe4177@gmail.com. Now all I have to do is punch in my password. So if I remember that properly, let's see if we can gain entrance. So typed in my password, and then from there it brings me to this page. It says the application MIT App Inventor 2 or App Inventor version 2 is requesting permission to access your Google account. From there, what I'm going to want to do, is confirm that it is my email address that is selected here. And if that's the one selected, I'm going to press allow. So now that I press allow, I'm presented with the terms of service. I'm going to just click I accept, but you could certainly read through all of this. And from there, if we did everything correctly, we should be presented with this screen right here. So notice it says, welcome to App Inventor 2. So congratulations, you set up your Gmail account and you now can access App Inventor 2. I will see you in the next video.